Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Jio Hotstar not working problem. And if your app is not opening, showing server error, buffering continuously, or login failed messages, then follow these steps carefully. So firstly, check your internet connection. Make sure you are using a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Now, click on the settings app. Scroll down. Click on the apps option. Now click on Jio Hotstar, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. Now go back to the home page, open the Play Store app. Now at the bottom tap on the search icon and search for Jio Hotstar and update it if not. And if you still face the problem, then try to once restart your mobile phone, and you can also try to open the settings app. Now click on network and internet. Click on internet, tap on settings icon. Now scroll down and click on access point names. At the top right corner, tap on the three dots and tap on reset option. And yeah, that's it. After this, your JioHotstar will be work. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.